Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Og 765, where we explore classic vehicles, timeless machines, and automotive legends that still capture hearts today. If you love vintage vans, powerful engines, and nostalgic road trips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of one of the most iconic American vans ever built, the 1994 Chevy G20 van. This van is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of comfort, utility, and the golden era of full-size vans in the United States. Whether you're a collector, a road trip lover, or someone who appreciates classic design, the 1994 G20 holds a special place in automotive history. The first thing that stands out about the 1994 Chevy G20 is its bold and boxy design. Unlike modern vans that focus heavily on aerodynamics, the G20 embraces a strong, squared-off shape that gives it a commanding road presence. Its wide stance, long body, and simple yet rugged styling make it instantly recognizable. This van was built in a time when durability mattered more than trends, and you can clearly see that in every line of its exterior. Under the hood, the 1994 G20 typically came with a powerful V8 engine, delivering reliable performance that made it perfect for long-distance travel and heavy-duty use. This van wasn't designed to be fast, but it had the torque and strength to carry passengers, cargo, or even be converted into a camper van. The engine's smooth performance and long-lasting reliability are some of the key reasons why many of these vans are still on the road today. One of the most loved aspects of the Chevy G20 is its interior space. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how roomy and comfortable it is. This van was often used as a conversion van, meaning many versions came with luxury features like plush seating, wood trim, ambient lighting, and even entertainment systems. It was like a living room on wheels, designed for comfort during long journeys. Families, travelers, and even musicians loved this van because it offered both practicality and a touch of luxury. Driving the 1994 G20 is a unique experience. The high seating position gives you a great view of the road, while the large steering wheel and solid build make you feel in control. It may not handle like a modern vehicle, but that's part of its charm. It delivers a classic driving feel that connects you to the road in a way newer vehicles often don't. Another reason why the 1994 Chevy G20 is so appreciated today is its versatility. This van could be anything you wanted it to be. It could serve as a family vehicle, a work van, a road trip machine, or even a custom project. Many enthusiasts today are restoring these vans or converting them into camper vans for modern van life adventures. Its strong frame and spacious design make it perfect for customization. In terms of durability, the G20 is known for its long lifespan. With proper maintenance, these vans can run for hundreds of thousands of miles. That's why you still see them on roads, in car shows, and even in classic vehicle collections. It represents a time when vehicles were built to last, and that reliability continues to impress people even today. The 1994 Chevy G20 also carries a strong sense of nostalgia. For many people, this van reminds them of family road trips, camping adventures, or even road tours. It's more than just metal and engine parts, it's a memory machine. Owning one today feels like holding onto a piece of automotive history. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciate this van not only for its performance but also for its cultural significance. It represents the era of American vans that dominated highways and brought people together. From road trips across states to everyday work duties, the G20 was always ready to deliver. Even in today's world of modern technology and sleek designs, the 1994 Chevy G20 stands tall as a reminder of simplicity, strength, and authenticity. It doesn't try to be futuristic, it proudly represents its time, and that's exactly why people love it. If you are someone who appreciates classic vehicles, the Chevy G20 is definitely worth your attention. Whether you want to restore one, customize it, or simply admire it, this van offers something special that modern vehicles often lack: character. Thank you for watching Car Og 765. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic vehicles like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 1994 Chevy G20 van, and which classic vehicle you want to see next. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive.